In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add promotion on LinkedIn. Adding a promotion the right way helps your profile clearly show your career growth within the same company, which can boost credibility with recruiters and your network. We'll start from the LinkedIn home feed and walk through adding your new position so it appears as a promotion under the same employer. Begin on the LinkedIn feed while you're signed in. At the top of the page, click the Me icon to open your profile menu. From there, select View Profile. This takes you to your public-facing profile where you can make updates that will appear to your connections. Scroll down to the Experience section. This is where your roles are listed and where promotions within the same company are grouped. Click the small plus icon in the corner of the Experience section to add a new entry. When the menu appears, choose Add Position. This creates a fresh role that will represent your promotion. In the title field, type your new job title exactly as you want it shown. For example, you might select Video Editor if that reflects your new level or responsibilities. Using the correct title helps LinkedIn and viewers immediately recognize your advancement. Next, in the company field, enter the exact same company name as your previous role. Select the official company page from the dropdown so LinkedIn can stack your roles together. This is the key step that makes it display as a promotion rather than a job change to a different employer. Then, check the box that says you're currently working in this role. That tells LinkedIn this is your active position and ensures it appears at the top of your experience list. Set the start date for your promotion. First, choose the month, then select the year that matches when your new title began. Choosing accurate dates maintains a clean timeline, showing when you moved up while preserving your prior role's history. Because you marked that you're currently in this role, there's no end date to add when everything looks correct. Your new title, the same company, the currently working box, and the correct month and year, click Save. LinkedIn will add this position to your experience and group it under the same employer, showing a clear progression from your previous role to your promoted title. That's all you need to do to add a promotion on LinkedIn quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.